Hello friends, in this video we are going to look at quote and BlockQuote tags of HTML5. The element Q is used to place a word or words within a quotation mark. The tag is Q. The BlockQuote tag or BlockQuote element is useful to mark a sentence, one or more sentence, as a quoted element. So browser will indent these statements from the document's paragraph. So quote is for one or two words and BlockQuote is for one or more sentences. Here in this example we have two paragraphs. In the first paragraph we marked the text this pointer as a quotation mark. That means we placed a Q tag. Q stands for quotation. So when browser renders this, it will place this pointer within double quotes. In the second paragraph, we placed the part of the sentence in BlockQuote tags. Browser will indent this BlockQuote part of the text. So when it indents, it places the BlockQuote part of the text in the next line. Also, it will indent that part from the original document text. So here is the example. Here we have two paragraphs, paragraph 1 and paragraph 2. In paragraph 1 we placed this pointer within the quotation mark. So we used the Q tag, opening and closing Q tag, and we placed this pointer in between them. Then we started our second paragraph, and in the second paragraph part of the first sentence we kept within the BlockQuote. Let us see how this appears in the browser. If you see here, this pointer is placed within a double quotation mark here. So that's the use of a Q tag. Next, part of the sentence which we placed in the BlockQuote appears in a new line, and there is a line gap also. Then it is indented from left. So after the BlockQuote sentence finishes, the normal text resumes from its original position. That's all here in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.